Hi, it's Burke. I'm back for the third video in our estate planning series. Let me start with a real-life story that highlights the importance of proper planning. JD reached out to me shortly after his mother passed away. She had lived in a lovely home, fully paid off, and worth around $900,000, but it was held solely in her name. JD was perplexed because it clearly stated in his mother's will that he was supposed to get the house. JD hired a probate lawyer, and the probate process dragged on for 2 years, costing John $27,000 in fees and frustration. All of this could have been avoided. He could have had title to the house in a couple of weeks, and the costs would have been negligible. Now that you've seen that a will can still lead to probate, let's talk about a powerful tool for avoiding it: a revocable living trust. Many people think trusts are only for the ultra-wealthy, but that's a myth. In reality, a trust is often used to help keep your family out of court after you pass away, saving them time, money, and stress. Think of a revocable living trust as a living document that goes into effect when you sign it before a notary. Like a will, it allows you to choose who controls your assets, how they're distributed, and who cares for any minor children if you're gone. But there's one significant difference. When you create a trust, it becomes an independent living entity. Because it's a living entity, a trust can hold real estate, bank accounts, brokerage accounts, life insurance, retirement funds, personal property, even business interests. Moving these assets into your trust is called funding the trust. Once transferred, they no longer need to go through probate when you pass away. When you pass away, your legal signature dies with you, which usually triggers probate. But a trust doesn't die, so the assets remain in the trust, avoiding the time-consuming and often expensive court process. Here's what we covered in this video. Number 1. Trusts aren't just for the super rich. Number 2. A trust acts like a will, but becomes active when you sign it. Number 3. Because it's a living entity, a trust can own property immediately. Number 4. Trusts never die, so there's usually no need for probate. In our next video, we'll tackle one of the most critical decisions in estate planning. Who should you trust to carry out your wishes? Choosing the right individuals can make all the difference, ensuring that everything you've worked so hard to build is protected and managed exactly how you envisioned, both during your lifetime and beyond. Make sure to click the video right here. I'll see you there.